I have been waiting for this for over a month for these custom stickers to get done for the truck. That might be it right there. We are doing the SS 416. Oh, that's right. This is going to be a tip of the cap to the old early 90s version SS 454 pickup truck. Let's get into this. So I have two different versions of bow ties. I'm trying to figure out which one I actually want to run. I have a silver outline with a red, and I have just a silver outline. It's going to do the Chevrolet on the back tailgate, and I'm trying to figure out, do I want to do it with a silver outline so it'll be black in here? This looks black, guys, it's silver. Trust me, it's silver. And then either that, or do I want to do it with the red bow tie? I'm going to lay things out, but let's do the tailgate first. I think I want to do the tailgate first. I think that will answer that question of bow tie. So just starting here, I'm trying to figure out, do I want to have it right in the center, or do I want to have it low? I thought about having it low just to start with, just to see how it looks. You know, if it makes the truck look lower, or if it just does too much here. Not totally sure yet. You got to start somewhere, so I'm just setting things up, seeing where our measurements are at. I don't know. What do you guys think? Think it looks better at the bottom or in the middle? Let's go throw it in the middle and take a look here. That's not bad. I got to center things a little bit better, but that's not too bad. I've seen them done both ways. I've seen the old trucks where they have the Chevrolet right at the bottom. That's what kind of popped in my head. Plus, to hide that freaking dent that's in there that the previous owner smacked a trailer hitch or something stupid. But I'm gonna move it down one more time. I don't know, I like the bottom too, but it almost looks weird being at the bottom. God, I don't know. The SS 416 stuff is gonna be right up here, and everything else is gonna be up kind of high. This would be the only thing that would be down low. I don't know, what do you guys think, man? I know, make up your mind, but once these things are on, man, they're on. I will say this, they were cool enough to give me extras. So if I don't like it, I have another one here that I can use to put on. The same thing with the SS 416. She gave me 4 of them. I only need 2. Plenty of bow ties, plenty of the 416s and all that stuff, but I'd like to be able to do it once and do it right. I don't know. There we go, my friends. Oh, that's looking good. I like how they did the dark gray and then faded it into like a silver and then came out. So they actually tried to give me a little bit of that kind of a chrome look. That turned out good. I think I like it in the middle right there. Yeah. I don't think the red inside the bow tie, I don't think it'd look right. I don't think it'd look right. Hold on. And there's the red. This is why I have extras. I like the red. That's what my original plan was, to do the red. Once I put it on there, it was like, oh, that looks so much better. Yep. I'm thinking up front, I think I'm just gonna paint the damn thing. I'll probably end up masking it off and painting it, or I'll find a red bow tie that you can put in that either has a silver outline or maybe it's even black. I'm fine with that, but that doesn't look right, but that's an easy fix. I'm not too worried about that. That's an easy fix. So tailgate's done. So now, let's get the side pieces put on. Throwing a sticker on the windshield or something like that's pretty easy, but when you gotta know exactly where it needs to be, how are you gonna do it? Okay, whatever you get, cut it dead even with the bottom edge of the sticker. Straight line right across there. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the sides as well. Then I'm gonna use my tape, and then I'm gonna measure my distances where I need it to be. Then I'm gonna tape those lines off so I can run a tape line going dead across. I can do all my measurements, put little pieces of tape on there. Then I know this is not gonna be crooked. It's gonna sit exactly where I want. And then same thing on the side. So then once I peel this off, I can lay that edge right on it, make sure that I'm straight on that bottom edge, and then just lay the sticker down, get all your air bubbles out, go on to the next one. That's what we would have. And you can see it's pretty damn straight. So I'm not gonna keep doing that on every single little one. You guys get the basic idea of how I'm laying them out. Now you know. Now let's get into putting everything on the truck and let's see what this thing freaking looks like. Guys, I gotta say, this turned out freaking awesome. Check us out. I definitely say that looks way freaking better. The red pinstripe sets are off. We got the 416 on the hood. I did my bow tie down the side. I was gonna continue it going back into here, and I did it. It just didn't look right with the SS 416 up top. It was just too much going on. So I just did it almost how stock was, where it said Silverado, and then it just had that piece of plastic that just went through here. I just ended up doing it that way, and then the red pinstripe on the top. But yeah, look at that. That turned out damn good. Tailgate, well, we already know how the tailgate looks. But yeah. Now we just got to get the 650 horse frickin' 416 put in the fricking wheel wells of this thing and start making some passes. And let's see if we can turn this into an 11-second work truck. And we're gonna be doing it NA. No boost, no blowers, no whipples, no nothing. Good old-fashioned freaking horsepower. Big cubic inch LS, lots of horsepower. I hope you guys dug it, man. This thing turned out great. I have been waiting so freaking long to be able to get the stickers on this, and it turned out beautiful. Turned out beautiful. Hit me down in the comments. Do you like this, or did you like the blacked out version that this thing has been for the past month? Hit me down in the comments. And like always, my friends, till we meet again, catch you on the flip side. Woo!